This is completed, no ma'am?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No.
See, it is known that the cost of producing 100 units of a commodity is for 250. And the cost of producing 200 units is 300. So for 100 it is 250, and for 200 units means producing for 100 units it took 250 rupees, and for producing 300 units, 200 units it took 300. Assuming the average variable cost is constant, find the cost function. They are asking. ఇది మీకు ఒక లాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 6th బిట్, in the first session they'll ask you to write the 5 questions. Out of 8 questions you have to write 5 questions. Sometimes they give only 5 questions, they'll ask you to write 5 only. So how is the model? I'll just check it. Generally they'll give 8 questions and ask to write 5 questions. So our 5 questions అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏమి ఉండదు, ఇవేమి ఉండదు. డైరెక్ట్లీ there will be theory questions only, and which carries 5 marks. Each question carries 5 marks or 4 marks. Suppose if it is 20 days, it will be different here. So coming to the second section, long questions. So from there you have to write 6th question. For example, section 1, the first question, 6th question. A and B bit will be there. A bit one theory regarding this only. Now we are going to talk about the cost or producer, etc. They may ask what is the factors of production and how the cost function runs. And a theory question is that they'll give this problem. You have to write both A and B, or section B. Come on. See, exactly 11:10. The spirit starts 11:10. Many times I say, don't be late for third period. It look awkward. First period late ochante, it's a genuine when you are late for first period. Third period late means what? Analysis yourself. First period late, okay. Till 9:30, till 10 you will be coming only. Yes or no? Till 10:30 you will be coming, I think. Everyone. Don't be late for the third period. Third and fourth. This is the third period. Next fourth period. Finished. Over here. College. Now you are coming. For what purpose? Already 2 periods completed. Will be coming for a far distance. Just for 2 classes, and that also middle of the class, last 1.5 class you are coming. Is it necessary to come for a 1.5 class? Is it necessary? In the second section, they'll be giving one long question. For suppose if it is a 12 marks, for 8 marks long question, 4 marks problem. They'll be giving it, or long question or one problem. If I set the paper, I'll give 6th. A bit is long question or B bit is one problem. The problematic which I have explained on that day, no? This. ఇది ఒకటి ఉందమ్మా, మీకు ట్రై యోర్సెల్ఫ్ నేను మీకు ఇయ్యలేదు నాకు చెప్పింది, ఆ రోజు చెప్పలేదా మీకు? యాక్చువల్లీ చేయిస్తాను. ట్రై యోర్సెల్ఫ్ ఇది అయిపోయినాక 2 ఒకటేసారి దాని గురించి చేయడం వల్ల ఏంటంటే కనీసం మీకు ఒక ఐడియా వస్తుంది ఏం చేసినాం మనం అని. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది. దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం విల్ కమ్ ఫర్ 12 months. If I ask one long question or one problem, see whether the problem is 4 or 3 bits, whatever it is there, I'll be asking. So it will take 2 to 3 pages. If you know this one, this exactly, everything is easy. There is no difficulty in the problem. The only thing you have to remind this one, what is there. It is also very easy. How total cost comes? Fixed cost plus variable cost. Automatically total cost. Marginal cost they'll be giving 0. Profit if they give removing or adding or whatever it is, that you have to do. So this problem, seeing for that it is a very big problem, but very easy problem. If I am going to set the paper, my model structure will be like this. One say big question or one long question. I don't divide A, B, I don't do like that. Because why to give so much risk? But the big question will be very big only. Theory. For example, explain about the law of diminishing value with examples. In the degree you don't have with examples, etc. I tell with examples and diagrams. Examples means any some short problem example, how it depends on how it is falling, why it falls left, why it falls right, what is the reasons, etc. Everything I'll be asking you. One big question will be like that. That will take 4 to 5 pages. Easily it will take 4 to 5. Or in which area you are perfect to handle, you select that only, either theory or problem. If you select the problem, you will get full marks. That is the only thing as a match you will get. So 3 problems pakka. From second section of 6th, 7th, 8th. One theory, one problem. One theory, one problem. One theory, one problem. That will be 7th, 8th, internal. 2 theories only. A theory, B. Because we are going to study about the environmental, what it is there, etc. Environmental studies we are talking about the business environmental. So we only discuss about all the international business, etc. Everything. So those last 2 chapters are theory chapters. First 3 chapters are theoretical problems. So here let ABC is a constant is equal to what is constant that we just take it is as a B. Now we have to find out if this is this much, then how will be that much? That we have to find. Means think it is an X. We don't know how the value will be there. In the mathematics every time we'll think it is an X only. So the total fixed cost plus total variable cost is equal to A plus BX in general mathematical terminology, which we are going to consider. Given that when X is equal to 100, if X is equal to 100, total cost is how much?
250.
If X is equal to 200, total cost
300.
300. So substituting this is into an equation A plus BX. Now A plus, we know what is B. The constant value which is 100 plus B is equal to 250. When we produce 100, this is the cost. Now second equation, keeping second equation 200 plus B is equal to, that is 200 is equal to 300 second. Subtracting from 2 to 1 అంటే ఈ 200 నుంచి ఇది తీసేస్తే this is subtracting from second equation నుంచి తీసేయాలి. తీసేస్తే మనకు వచ్చే వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 100b A is equal to 100b is equal to
50. B is equals to 50 by 100. 50 by 100. 1 by 2.
1 by 2 or
0.5.
చేయడం వల్ల మనకు వచ్చేది అదే which is going to be. So the constant function of Cx is equal to ఇదన్నా పెట్టవచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఇక్కడ చేసినా కానీ ఇక్కడ చేసినా ఆపేయచ్చు. Which is can be taken. ఇది which is going to come like this. Now I'll give one problem, you do it. అర్థమైంది కదా కాన్సెప్ట్? ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అనిపిస్తున్నా లేదా ఉన్నారా?
అనిపిస్తుంది.
Episode maths correct. So it will be very easy for you. ఎంత కష్టం ఏం లేదు అలా ఇల్లున్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏదో తల వాళ్ళు కొట్టుకున్నది ఏమి ఉండదు. చిన్న ప్రాబ్లం అందులో నుంచి పెద్ద దాంట్లో నుంచి చిన్న వాల్యూస్ తీసేయాలి, వచ్చేది ఆన్సర్ ఏం లేదు. The cost of producing 176 units, that's one problem. The cost of producing 176 units of a commodity is 176 units of a commodity. The 175 is correct. So 175 units of a commodity is 300, and the cost of producing 250 units is 500. Assuming the average variable cost is constant, find the cost function. Yeah. కనిపిస్తారా లాస్ట్ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళకి? ఈ బిఎక్స్ ఎట్లా వచ్చిందో తెలుసు అన్నాను. కాన్స్టెంట్ బి అన్నా కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏబిసి దగ్గర బి ఉంటుంది అన్నట్టు. ఈ స్టెప్ ఇంత క్లియర్గా ఇది బి అన్నట్టు. ఈ ఏబిసి బి అన్నప్పుడు బి ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు స్మాల్ ఎక్స్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు బిఎక్స్ అన్నట్టు. ఇది ఈ సెట్ దెన్ ఇప్పుడు సడన్గా బిఎక్స్ వచ్చినట్టే ఏబిసి మనం ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నాం, లెట్ ఏబిసి కాన్స్టెంట్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు బి అని అనుకున్నాను ఏబిసి. సో ఇక్కడ ఏబిసి దగ్గర బి బట్టి ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ కనుక్కోవాల్సింది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఎక్స్ అనుకుంటాం కాబట్టి ఎక్స్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు బి. ఆల్ అనాలి ఇక్కడ కరెక్ట్. ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది ఇది వస్తుంది. ఇంకోసారి పెడితే ఈ ఆల్ అని వస్తుంది. అంటే చేయంగా తెలుస్తుంది అంటుంది. ఇంకా తక్కువ పొరపాటున అది
మ్యామ్. ఇంకా ఐరో మార్క్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి మ్యామ్. మౌస్ యూస్ చేసే అవసరం లేదు మ్యామ్. ఇక్కడ కింద మ్యామ్. ఎస్ మ్యామ్. ఫస్ట్ అది క్లియర్ చేసేసి తీసేసి హ్యాండ్ క్లిక్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ హ్యాండ్ ఫింగర్. ఇప్పుడు క్లిక్. అక్కడే ఉంది మ్యామ్. అటే ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఈ ఐరో మార్క్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది మ్యామ్. అచ్చా.
అదే ఒక 1 month అయినాక పర్ఫెక్ట్ వస్తుంది. దీని మీద ఏదో తెలగా వస్తుంది చూడు, అవి తెలిసిపోతాయి. ఇప్పుడు అదే కదా చెప్పనా
బి వాల్యూ వచ్చింది.
వచ్చిందా?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
ఇదే కదా. వచ్చిందా? మళ్ళీ నేను చెప్పడం ఉండదు. చాప్టర్ అయిపోయినది అయిపోయినట్టే. పెట్టుకోండి రోజు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. ఇప్పుడు అన్ని మొదలు కరెక్ట్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఈ మెథడ్లో ఇంకేమంటే ఇంకేమో చేసుకోండి. పక్కా ప్రాబ్లమ్ డిగ్రీ లాగా ప్రాబ్లం రాదని మాత్రం అనుకోకండి. ప్రాబ్లం అయితే పక్కా. ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఉంది శ్రీగారిలో? We were talking about the demand. Now, what is the demand? Demand which have a value in the market is called a demand. Whatever it is having some value. For example, MCOM computer is having more value in the market. MCOM finance is having more value in the market. So depending upon the demand of that market value, the products are going to be produced in the market. Suppose if MCOM does not have value, then you don't opt this subject. Because for accounts officers, any type of technical, whatever it is, any business is there, compulsory accounts is there. Why accounts is there? Because transactions takes place. There is a business. If there is a business, transactions takes place. Transactions takes place means entries takes place. Entry takes place means accounts form. So accounts are there means accountant is required. Yes or no?
Yes.
Means compulsory there is a demand for certain courses which in the market, because I am talking about in the view of students. When we talk generally what it is a demand is, it is an ability or willingness to buy or to take anything or specific thing. For example, I and she went to the market. We both liked one product only. So as a shopkeeper, now what he'll do? He said 250 rupees. She is ready to buy it, I am ready to buy for 250 rupees. We are forcing the shopkeeper to give it. There is only one product. Now what he'll do, he'll increase the price. He'll say it is 500 rupees. My capacity, ability to pay only 250 rupees. And my willing point is also stuck up at the 250 rupees only. Not excess that way. Her ability has been increased. She is ready to willing. She wants a product at any cost. Her willingness is that is any cost she want to buy. Actually, the original price is 250 rupees. I want to buy only for 250 rupees. Even if the shopkeeper said it is a 500 rupees, she is ready to purchase for 500 rupees and she is being satisfied with that. Because her aim is not spending the amount, her aim is gaining the product. So satisfying is another mukhya. You just think about how much you are willing or ability to satisfy your needs, your dreams, your wants, whatever it is, that you are in a position to pay it, that is called a demand. It's clear? Demand price actually demand how it comes. So demand means the ability, willingness to buy a specific quantity of a commodity at a prevailing prices by the period of time. Underline period of time. ఇక్కడ ప్రతి ఒక్క వర్డ్ ఒక డెఫినేషన్ చెప్పినప్పుడు ప్రతి వర్డ్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. మనం ఇంటర్ డిగ్రీలో బట్టి మీద అవుతాం రాస్తున్నాం. పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ టైం అంటే కనుక మీరు అనొచ్చు, when a product has been fixed, how he can increase the price. If this is 15,000 rupees, it is said you have to sell it for 15,000 rupees only. When there is a competition between two persons, the other person is ready to pay above the value. Now it is the shopkeeper choice that he can. It's not government shop labi kaadu kada. I see what is my objective as a businessman. Profits. I have to gain the profits. Depending upon the situation of time period ni batti. See, at the festival times, flower raises, increases. Diwali time, the crackers, etc. raise. Now you go and buy. How they'll give? Yes, cheap only. Before Diwali, high rates. Now what is that? Period of time is very important, especially in the demand. It decided whether you are willing or not willing to pay that amount itself. So that plays a very, very important. So hence, demand means the ability and willingness to buy a specific quantity of a commodity at a prevailing price and then at a period of time. And the price and time అనేది very, very important. Price and time is equal to willingness and ability to pay. Clear? Price, time is equal to, you should be ready to pay that amount in that stipulated period of time. So when you are ready, it will be yours. If I am not ready, it will not come into my basket. That is only the method. So here, the law of demand. Now what in generally economics, what the law of demand says is, that is, what is demand means what I said about the meaning of demand. Now what is a law of demand? The law of demand is that is the quantity of a commodity demand is given in a time period increases the prices or fall depending upon the situation. That's what I said. If more quantity is there, prices
Demand.
come down. Why prices come down? Because you are producing huge quantity. You require more customers. You require more customers means, see, suppose if two members are there, when the vendor said or the shopkeeper said it is 500 rupees, she is ready to pay. When there are 100 products are there, then she will be ready to buy. When there is in another shop also, those same type of products are there. She will go there and she will buy. Now at that time there is demand is there? No demand. So for him or for her she will get 250 rupees. For myself also I will get 250 rupees. So the law of demand what it says, depending upon the time and period and price, the changes takes place in the demand. If the production is more, the prices for that it is. If the demand for the product increases, there is a scarcity of production, then the prices increases. If the production is less, scarcity of products are less, demand for that products have been increased, then the prices increases, automatically prices increase. So that explains about the law of demand. So demand and demand schedules. When suppose if you want to buy a product or anything for 5 rupees, you want to buy 5 apples. So it is costing 100 rupees per apple or some whatever 20 rupees per apple. So now what you buy, how much you buy? 5 apples only, which it is going to be taken means sorry. When it is one apple is 1,500 rupees, then you buy according to your money and weight. But it is very necessary. So now you buy only one because you don't have that much, but you want to satisfy your need and anger. I mean, your hunger or your want, desire to eat that one. So you don't go for a. See, when you want to eat apple, even if it is a 50 rupees, you buy it one. If it is 10 rupees, you buy 5 apples itself. So when it is 500, the choice was very less. Of buying capacity was very less. Why? Because the price of the product was very high. So one. When the price is decreasing, automatically what happened? The demand for the products has been increasing. So when it is 402, when 303, 204, 105 you purchased. Why don't you purchase when it is was 500? Then you have to go for 2,500 rupees. You have to invest to buy those products. So that explains about the lockdown. In generally, anywhere, there is nothing new to discover about the law of demand. Is that is in general, even a person who is uneducated also, when the prices come down, they buy more. When the price is high, they buy according to their necessities. వాళ్ళ necessity బట్టే ఉంటుంది. They don't buy unnecessary. When it is necessary, see when the tomatoes are 100 rupees kgs, they buy half kg, wow, etc. They buy. When it is 20 rupees, they buy 2 kgs, 3 kgs, they'll keep in the fridge, etc. If some are rotten, they'll throw outside because the value is very less. No? If it is 100 rupees, only half kg or something, they'll be using one only or two only. If it is necessary to keep in that only, in that dish or whatever it is, because there is a scarcity of that one. So that is the reason how the law of demand changes. When the prices are high, demand for the product will not have, and when the prices are less, demand for the products increases. Depending upon the quality of the products and what it is need for the customers, అదే ఇప్పుడు ఉప్పు బాగా ఉత్పత్తి చేసి పెట్టాను 10 బస్తాలు తెచ్చి చేసుకుంటాను దాని అవసరం లేదు కదా దెర్ ఇస్ నో నీడ్ అరే మనము భవిష్యత్తు ఎట్లా అని చెప్పేసి ఏం చేసుకుంటాం 10 బస్తాలు ఇంకో తరం కూడా తింటుంది అది ఇంత చేసుకోం కదా ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ సాల్ట్ దిస్ మచ్ అరే వీఆర్ గెట్టింగ్ అని చెప్పేసి చేసుకోం కదా యూ కాంట్ ఈట్ యూ కెన్ యాడ్ 1 extra tablespoon of sugar but not salt because you can't eat it finished spoiled, you have spoiled the dish. So the same way also certain products which are going high or low, whatever it is. For example, if middle class family is there, you just think about it. The demand for a diamonds have been decreased 5%. We are ready to go and buy that. Even if it decreases 50%, no, we don't go and buy it. It is no way concern for us. Now what we buy, suppose if gold is there, everyone, middle class family, whoever it is, they'll try to buy at least one for their children's marriage, etc., whatever it is, then you will find it. Finally, if there is 70, 80,000 fatula, it became 50,000. Everyone will rush and buy because maybe it may not. Suppose for a diamond, if it is a 10 lakhs worth, it is coming for 6 lakhs. Everyone will go and run it. No, nothing like this. Means certain products will have demand in the market. Means majority of them, where the necessities are there, that demand for will come up and down. Means necessities like food grains, etc. Everything. For those things, where a public or where a customer buys the necessities things, for that law of demand is going to be applied. For some of the commodities, the law of demand will not be applied. Whether the prices increase or decreases. That we talk in the different paradox, Webner goods, all those will come up. In that we will going to discuss about those things. This is about, and when we talk about the demand schedule, why it going to be scoped down? When it was one, how you have been purchased 500. When it is two, means automatically what happens? The demand curve slopes downward as you are going on. The value of the product price decreases. You buy more quantity, etc. So this is about the demand curve. What is demand అనేది? It will come for theory marks 5 marks. For 5 months, వాట్ ఈస్ డిమాండ్ అంటే ఇది రాసి ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ ఇది వేయాలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. కొత్త పెద్ద ఏం లేదు, ఈజీగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. అంటిల్ అన్లెస్ యూ డ్రా ద డయాగ్రామ్స్ యూ ఆర్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ గుడ్ మార్క్స్. డయాగ్రామ్స్ డ్రా చేస్తేనే మంచి మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి, లేకపోతే మీకు మార్క్స్ పడాయి. డిగ్రీలాగా ఏదో రాసి పడేద్దాం అంటే మీ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. ప్రతి దానికి డయాగ్రామ్స్ ఉంటాయి, ప్రతి డయాగ్రామ్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం. ప్రాబ్లమ్ని డయాగ్రామ్స్ the demand curve is the total quantity of a product that all the consumer, which I have explained about that one. Next. Shifts in the demand curve. Now, how it is going to be shifts in the demand curve? This is going to be explained. 50. This is about it. Tomorrow I will be explaining about the shift, demand, extension, exceptions. This all comes under the exception. Tomorrow I will be explaining about it. I just wanted about the thing is that is the law of demand which is going to be taken place. The law of demand, which is going to be tell about the ability, willingness, time, and period, which is going to tell about that is called as a demand. Now, in the demand, we have different kinds of demands. Price elasticity of demand, law of demand, price elasticity demand, income elasticity of demand, cross elasticity. These different types of demands are there. Again, in this different types, we have again price elasticity of demand. We have again 5 types in the top. Same in income elasticity also, 5 types are there. Actually, for what you know is the only till cross elasticity. We have advertisement elasticity of demand. See, each and everything, all 5 varieties only will do. అన్నిట్లో చూసుకున్నా కూడా ఐదే ఉంటుంది. ఒకటి స్టేబుల్గా ఉంటుంది, అంటే యూనిటరీగా ఉంటుంది, ఒకటి ఎక్సెస్ ఉంటుంది, ఒకటి బిలో ఉంటుంది, ఒకటి అబవ్ అంటే విచ్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి జీరో. ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్స్ విచ్ యూ హ్యావ్. In all the things will be same only. Either it is a income elasticity, ఈ లాజిక్ ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Either it is a income elasticity or a price elasticity, cross, advertisement, whatever it is, or it will be where unitary will be is equal to 1 and remaining is equal to less than 1, greater than 1, equal to 1, equal. That is only which is going to be taken place in the types of demands. So about this we have done. Tomorrow I will explain all these. about the shift of the demand, the exceptions of the demand, determinant of the demand. ఇక్కడ దాకా రేపు కన్క్లూషన్ రేపు ఇదంతా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. నేను వచ్చే వరకు కాస్త ఓపెన్ చేసి పెట్టిన అదే మీకు చాలాసార్లు చెప్పిన ఈ విషయం చెప్పినా కానీ చేస్తాను.